7 tips for your digital marketing in 2021. Hi you guys, Caitlin here with Rising Ranks Digital, and today I'm going to talk to you about everything you need to know in order to be successful with your digital marketing in 2021. 2020 was crazy, lots of changes, lots of people coming online, lots of new businesses popping up. 2021 is the year that the industries have become way more saturated, but it's all okay. Here are some great tips, 7 tips that you can utilize in 2021 to ensure that your marketing crushes it this year. First and foremost, number 1, video. With the rise of TikTok, Instagram Reels, IGTV, stories, more YouTube visits, video is a must. People are loving, indulging, and learning via video. Number 2, repurposing. So what do you do after you create that video? Well, you want to make sure that you actually repurpose it. You want to get out into the market. You want to be in as many places as you can, creating great content. So this is how we do. We create a content flow, and you create one that works well for your business, but you create a video. You can send it down a copy track, and then you can send it down a video track. There's actually a YouTube video on this of how we do this, so go check it out. But what you want to do is you want to, from this video, create blog posts. You want to create several social media posts with this for all the different social media channels that you're in. You want to repurpose your video for TikTok, for Instagram. And of course, you want to put this video in your blog as well. The idea for this is to show up more fully and more often with great content. If you don't repurpose your content, you're just essentially creating so much content, but it's not really as effective as it should be. All right, so 3 is creating content backed by research. So you want to create content based on what your consumers want, not what you think they want or not what you think you want to write about. So how you do this is you get to know your consumer. Hang out with them in digital spaces, Facebook groups, Clubhouse now. See what kind of questions they're asking. See what common themes there are of help they need. Do your keyword research. Understand what type of content your consumers are actually looking for, and then also look at your current analytics. You can do this through Google Analytics as well as your social platform analytics. All right, tip number 4. I want you to lead with your vibe or brand versus product or service. So essentially you're going to be doing a lot more storytelling, but not just talking at people, really embodying your vibe, your brand, what you are all about. So what is the core feeling that you are trying to create for your consumers? Is it pride? Is it joy? Is it safety? Is it love? Is it happiness? Is it adventure? The list goes on. But you want to make sure you are consistent with this and consistent everywhere. So your visuals on your website should exude this vibe. Your colors of your branding should exude this vibe. It should be in your copywriting. It should be how you show up in your emails, how you show up in your video, how you show up when your customer service team calls your consumers. It should be everywhere. And the 5 tip actually coincides with number 4. It's actually creating a deeper understanding of yourself and your company. So what is your purpose here on earth? What do you care about? What is your deep core values? And this will all help you with your storytelling and help you to stay consistent with the kind of vibe that you're putting out there, who you want to attract, and it really helps people feel into what their life can be when they purchase from you. And again, this is what's going to set you apart from the ever-growing competition online these days. All right, tip 6, less filters, more authenticity. This can go with visuals. This can go with copy. Show up within your vibe and be authentic. If you come from a place and just kind of talk about something and you're not really feeling into it and it's actually not what you think at all that day, people are going to see through that. There are subconscious cues that they can pick up and they won't purchase from you if they subconsciously feel a misalignment. People are sick of buttoned up perfection. They want raw, they want honesty, and they want that real connection. And talking about connection, number 7, this is the last tip. Upping your client care and connection tactics. So how are you deepening your like, know, and trust factor? A lot of these other points, they actually cater to number 7. They help you get to number 7. How can you provide value today? How can you create or have a deeper connection with your consumer today? Can you ask them a question? Can they help you make a business decision? Maybe you just want to reach out and see how they're doing today. But when you create this deep connection and it's all in alignment with your vibe and your brand, and people really are starting to connect with all of it, they will start coming to you to purchase. Or when you actually have something to sell, or when it's time to sell, it's going to be a much easier sell on your side with less effort, because you have already worked on your like, know, and trust factor and your storytelling, and you're showing up and these people see you in this authentic manner and they're loving it. All right, so on top of that, I also want to talk about how can you make your current consumers feel special. So you're connecting with people online, that's great. They may or may not have purchased from you, but the people who actually have purchased from you, it is of the utmost importance to make sure that you are making them feel special. How can you make them feel like they can't live without you, like they have to keep buying from you because they want to keep buying from you, just because they want to stay in your world? What are you offering that's exclusive for them? How are you touching on all their love languages? Are you checking to see how you can be of better service to them, how you can create a better product? Are you surprising and delighting them? Taking care of your current customer is the most effective marketing campaign you can have. They are the ones who are going to repurchase from you, repurchase without any crazy ad expenses. They're going to recommend you. They're going to refer new clientele to you. This group is loyal to you. You need to stay loyal to them and make them feel like they want to stick around. So you guys, 2021 is going to be the year of better content, more connection, and deeper authenticity. Consumer experience is everything, even if it goes from how you're speaking to them, how you're engaging to them, to your website. How is your website loading? This all factors in. But if you want to know more about how I can help you with your SEO or digital marketing, check out the links below. My website's down there, our social channels are down there. And of course, comment if you have any questions, and like and share if you found this helpful. Thank you so much, and good luck with your 2021 marketing.